Everyone, welcome to Ainsley News. It's Thursday, the 2nd of September. Today we're talking COMEX, refiners buying. According to the market insider Andrew Maguire, a precious metals refiner has started buying October silver futures contracts with the intention of taking delivery. Typically, the major clearinghouses of the LBMA, or London, and COMEX in New York buy from refiners and not the other way around. Major refiners are where miners deliver doré bars of ore that are most often a blend of gold, silver, and base metals. The doré bars are put through a series of industrial chemical procedures to refine the metal to 99.9% pure gold and 99.9% pure silver, or 99.99 pure silver. After this, the refiner can then produce 400 ounces of good delivery gold bars and 1,000 ounces of silver bars for the LBMA. On the other side of the Atlantic, refiners produce 100 ounces or 1 kilo gold bars and approximately 1,000 ounce silver bars for deliveries for the COMEX. Alternatively, refiners can provide metal for gold bullion dealers, just like us at Ainsley Bullion. Traditionally, refiners buy the raw material from miners below the spot price and then sell at just above spot, plus a barring charge for retail bars. Given the nature of the traditional flow of metal, it is surprising to hear that refiners are now standing for delivery of silver on the COMEX. Maguire argues that the price must be attractive enough for the refiner to buy back the metal so that they can fulfill outstanding wholesale orders. This suggests that refiners may be struggling to source enough silver from miners to fulfill orders that they have already committed to. In short, demand is outstripping supply. It isn't surprising that it is silver in the spotlight. While the price of gold has been stuttering and stepping up from the 9th of August smackdown, silver has recovered from its brief stint under $23, but has continued to meander at or underneath the $24 resistance point. Here's this silver versus US dollar price chart here for you to have a look at. This unequal recovery between the two monetary metals is reflected in the grind higher in the gold to silver ratio we've seen over the last few months. At time of writing, a sole ounce of gold demanding 75 troy ounces of silver in return. Not all customers may be aware, but we are able to facilitate bullion swaps, buy silver with gold, or vice versa, for anyone who wants to trade directly between the two metals. And also don't forget that on CoinSpot, we offer our gold-silver ratio bundle, which optimizes your purchase based on the GSR, or the gold-silver ratio, as we've previously explained. Do check out that great product there on CoinSpot from us. Check out the bundles section if you're looking for it. Here's that 6-month gold to silver ratio here, just to show what's happening within that ratio itself. Another possibility is that miners are now asking for more than spot, making deliveries from futures contracts the most cost-effective way for refiners to access the metal. It stands to reason, if said refiner is struggling to fulfill orders, it would be natural to buy more from miners. There are certainly enough producers around to choose from. There is some support for this second point, with miner First Majestic selling directly to the public at generous premiums. The significant amount of extra effort a miner would need to go to sell their own product would be prohibitive unless there were enough physical demand from retail buyers to justify the capital outlay. We do need to take this with a grain of salt though, as this is one of the companies holding back production, waiting for higher prices, a story that we talked about back in April. While this may be a rare contradiction of an estimated $5 trillion market, if the trend continues, it would certainly be a big driver of demand for physical silver and bode well for silver bulls worldwide. Great news there today from us. If you are after the physical stuff, jump over to ainsley.bullion.com.au. You can buy physical silver, physical gold, and platinum. Jump over to Ainsley Wealth if you're after the cryptocurrency range that we offer. It's pretty good. Go and check it out. And goldsilverstandard.com for our own crypto built and backed by real gold and silver and stored at Reserve Vault. Enjoy your Thursday, everyone, and we'll catch you tomorrow for end of week news.